Hello, fourth grade, Miss Austin here, reading the story Tsunami from our Chapter 8 paper book, Earth Changes. Deep under the ocean, an underwater earthquake disturbs the water. Waves roll out and grow taller as they travel toward land. A tsunami is born. A tsunami can be one huge wave or a series of waves. In the deep ocean, these waves move incredibly fast, traveling hundreds of miles an hour. However, on the surface, the waves appear small and insignificant, so passing ships don't notice them. As they move toward land, they slow down and grow taller and taller. Some waves measure more than 21 meters, 70 feet high. So I'd like you to think of a person that's 7 feet tall. Let's just generalize and say Shaquille O'Neal, Shaq. It's like 10 Shaqs standing on top of each other, so foot to head. 10 Shaq, if you know basketball. That's how high these waves can be. Ginormous, way over all of our heads. Paragraph 3. When a tsunami hits land, it can cause unbelievable destruction. People, homes, and trees are picked up and tossed around. Those lucky enough to survive face nearly impossible challenges. Their homes and neighborhoods may have disappeared. Family members and friends may have died. One of the most destructive tsunamis occurred on December 26, 2004. It was set off by a strong underwater earthquake in the Indian Ocean, causing severe damage to more than 10 countries in southern Asia and eastern Africa. There was no warning system in the Indian Ocean. People were unaware that a tsunami was coming and were unprepared. More than 200,000 people died because of this tsunami. Today, tsunami warning systems have been set up in high-risk areas. Satellites can track tsunami waves more accurately than ever before. Radio-operated buoys float in oceans where tsunamis occur. They can detect unusual waves and transmit warnings to land to help reduce loss of life. So today our focus is word work. Our word work skill today is to apply negative prefixes such as d, un, in, im, dis as we read. So all of these negative prefixes are letters that go before words to change the meaning. It is negative because it means not. So for example, in paragraph 2, we see the word insignificant. What does this word mean? What is the author telling us about how waves appear? The waves seem small and insignificant on the surface. Since I know that the prefix in, which is at the beginning of the word, means not, I know insignificant means not significant, which means the waves are not large and they're not powerful. Can you find other words in our text that have negative prefixes? Maybe you saw destruction, unbelievable, impossible, unaware, unusual. So all these words have negative prefixes that means, for example, not believable, not constructive, not possible, not aware, not usual. So whenever those letters are before a word and those prefixes are d, un, in, im, and dis, it means not. It is a negative change to the word, so it means not whatever the root word is. For your word work activity, you are going to go on Seesaw and complete the word work summary using 4 spelling words from the text. Those spelling words have the negative prefix in them, such as unbelievable, incredibly, destruction, unaware, disappeared, insignificant, impossible, and unprepared. In your summary, I want you to answer the 5 W questions. What is a tsunami? Where do they happen? Who experienced a tsunami? You can talk about the Indian Ocean tsunami in paragraph 4. When did that tsunami take place? And most importantly, why do tsunamis happen? I can't wait to read your work online. Thanks for working hard, 4th grade.